Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to clean our throttle body. This is a really fast and easy thing to do. First, we have to take out the intake hose. For this, we just have to quit this couple of screws in order to quit the intake hose. We only need a simple screwdriver. There are just two clamps. The first one near the air filter, and the other one is just beside the throttle body. Next, we have to off our air filter. We quit the upper cap, and then we quit the air filter. This also needs to be replaced. It's a little bit dirty. Then we took off the hose and we put it aside. Now we can see our throttle body. I'm gonna show it a little bit closer. Then there we have the butterfly, or I don't know how do you call it in your country. It is not that really dirty because I do this regularly, but today I will show you how to do it. Okay, first we are using a Lucas GDI cleaner. You can buy it on internet or in an AutoZone. As you can see, it's a do-it-yourself product. It recommends to do it every 10,000 miles. And today, tomorrow I'm going to take the car to the oil change, so I'm doing it before that. Okay, first we have to start the car, and we have to rev up the engine about 2000 or 3000 RPMs. I have done this before, so I rev the engine to 3000. I don't have any person who helped me today with this. So I am using specialized tools to rev up the engine. I will show you in a moment. And this is the tool I have using for rev up the engine. It's really simple. So we took our cleaner and we have to make a little like between 5 and 10 seconds spraying. As we show in some moment. Okay, we start spraying around the butterfly. You should spray wherever you see some kind of deposit or dust. I always try to make round shots. I have do this a lot of times, so it's really safe. There's no problem with the throttle body. Some people prefer to take it out and clean it, but I do it the way it says on the cleaner, and it's really okay. I'll show you again the product. It's the Lucas GDI. I forgot to tell you that if your car has a mapped M8P sensor, you should not clean it with this cleaner. It's just for the throttle body. You should not use it in any kind of sensor. The Aspire hasn't an AMF sensor, but we have to take off the intake hose. Now we can see the throttle body. It's really clean. It's really nice. Then we shut down the car in order to take all the things back together. We put first the nozzle, the air filter, and then the upper cap. Then we put the screws tight again. To finish, we have to start the engine again and leave it working about 10 to 15 minutes. I left it in 2000 RPMs. If you can make a little ride, it's better. But today I am just leaving it running. So if you see the whole video, thank you very much, and give us a like if you find this video useful. Don't forget to share it, and leave a comment if you found any kind of mistake, or if you have any kind of recommendation. Thank you very much, and we see us in the next video.